Everyone, in the last class, we learned the identification and control technology of Tetranicus mite. Today, we are going to study another kind of mite, gall mite. Gall mites are smaller than Tetranicus mite. Gall mites are hard to find with the naked eye. In the field, you can only see the damage. Black and purple nevus galls were formed after the leaves were damaged. When seriously affected, the blade is twisted and deformed. This is gall mite infesting lychee. Blade distortion also appears. Yellow and green patches appear first on the back of the damaged leaves. After the depression, the formation of hair gall, gray-white hairs are produced in the gall. The down gradually turns yellowish-brown, reddish-brown, or even dark brown. It's shaped like felt. This gall mite is harmful to citrus, lead to the destruction of fruit. The back of the leaves gradually brown, and finally bronze. Next, taking citrus rust mite as an example, to introduce the identification and control technology of gall mite family. 1. The appearance of citrus rust mites. Citrus rust mites are also known as citrus rust ticks, or citrus rust spiders, belong to the Areophidae of the Acariforms. It only affects citrus fruit trees. Nymphs cluster on leaves, fruit, and shoot sap hazard. The damaged fruit and leaf back are bronzed. Rough surface, lose luster, resulting in leaf shrinkage. The leaves are yellow and fall off. The fruit is black-skinned. 2. Morphological characteristics of citrus rust mite. Adult mites are 0.1 to 0.2 mm long, pale yellow to orange yellow or yellow-white. Hard to be distinguished by the naked eye. If you zoom in on the damaged fruit and leaves, you can see a lot of small spots on the surface, but you can't see the shape. And then you put the rust mite under the stereo microscope and you can see that it's long and narrow, and pale yellow or orange. Through the observation of light microscope or scanning electron microscope, it can be seen that the body length of rust mite is only 0.15 mm, with piercing suction mouthpiece, and the head is small and protruding forward. If mites, adult mites have only 2 pairs of feet, limbs with many ring stripes, tapering at the end of the abdomen, and 2 long hairs on the back of the distal segment. 3. Occurrence regularity. Citrus rust mites occur 18 to 24 generations a year and overwinter in the axillary buds and leaf rolls of the host as adult, or if mites, when the temperature of the month is above 15 degrees Celsius, it can be active to eat. From March to April, the spring shoot was damaged. From May to June, it spread to fruit, and then the number of worms soared. From July to August, the number of worms reached the peak of the year. July to October is the peak period, during which the temperature and humidity are suitable. The average monthly temperature is 25 to 27 degrees Celsius, and the relative humidity is about 85%, often rampant and disastrous. 4. Prevention and treatment methods. To do frequent inspection, focus on mid to late April. According to the pest spray treatment, when the average density of rust mites per field of view, 10 times handheld magnifying glass, 2 to 3, or find that individual trees have a few black fruit, and individual branches and leaves are rust spots, brown leaves, it should immediately spray pick treatment. Pay attention to the back of leaves, and the dark side of fruits inside the tree crown. The available agents are avermectin, fenpyroxamate, cyflumetofen, mite, acetodiazolel, arve, spirocaril, etc. Pesticides that are generally effective against Tetranicus and also effective against gall mites. In this lesson, we learned that gall mite infestation should be done frequently in the production of gall mite infestation. When individual branches or leaves are found to have a few infestation, spraying should be done immediately. This is the end of this lesson. Thanks for watching. See you next lesson.